Cleaning brush. The 3-in-1 cup gap cleaning brush set by Vidonio is an essential addition to any home, especially for individuals who value cleanliness and efficiency in their kitchen tools. This thoughtfully designed product features 3 brushes, each specifically crafted to tackle the often overlooked gaps around cup lids and bottles, ensuring a thorough cleaning process. Constructed from durable plastic and stainless steel, the brushes offer a combination of sturdiness and flexibility. The round shape of the brushes allows for easy navigation in tight spaces, making them effective for cleaning various types of bottles and containers. Additionally, the stiff bristles provide the necessary leverage to remove debris and stains without causing damage to the surfaces. One of the standout features of this cleaning set is the practical hanging hole on the handles, allowing for convenient storage. This is particularly beneficial for those with limited kitchen space or for those who like to keep their cleaning tools easily accessible. The vibrant multicolored design adds a touch of cheerfulness to cleaning duties, making the experience more enjoyable.